Herbal. What's that all about, sir?
Herbal means like more hemp, more weed, smoking the ganja.
Plants. So plants are healthy for humans?
Oh, oregano is healthy for your soul.
So it's like humans are part of humans and earth, and plants are all kind of similar, huh?
Fresh sage.
Honey.
Oh, turmeric. That's the spice.
Oh, guayusa.
Yeah, but anyways, you know.
Bobby De Niro. We're out here, huh? De Niro, Machete, Einstein and De Niro on the scene. People out. Hold this phone camera for a second. Get him a shot of the Einstein. Safety first, folks.
All right, there we are.
Science. Just roll with it. Learn from it. Life is one big science lab experiment. Petri dish, etc. So stay frosty, stay safe, stay positive. Positive vibes matter. Einstein and De Niro, Machete, they all know. Ride the bike, feel the love. That bike's looking good, Green Cloud. Nice sticker game, dude.
Oh yeah.
Yikes, Lemon Jack, iMac, 710, Vapors. Where to now? Beach scene? Beach scene. See who's on the scene. A lot of bikers out today. Sunday fun day. The kids. The art's for the kids. Gotta save this earth for the future. Get it, guys. 405. Yeah. Yeah. Shouts to the gold camo. Street art everywhere around here, man. It's pretty hip.